This video teaches you how to make a calendar in Google Docs. Using a table, go to Google Docs in a web browser. Click Blank. Doing so opens a new Google Doc template. Type in the name of the month for which you're creating the calendar, then press Enter. This will ensure that the month's name is above the calendar. Click Insert. Click Table. Selecting this option prompts a pop-out window with a grid of cubes. Create a 7x6 table. In the top row of your calendar, type in the weekday names. Type in the day numbers for each box below the day of the week. Resize your calendar. To resize the rows and columns, click and drag the black lines below and to the left and right of each cell. Repeat for the remaining months. Customize your calendar to your liking. When you're done with your calendar, you can close the tab or window that it's in. You'll be able to open it again from the Docs page, as well as from your Google Drive page. Using Template Gallery, go to Google Docs in a web browser. This will open the Google Docs site if you're logged in with your Google account. Click Blank. Click the Extensions tab. Select Add-ons. Click Get Add-ons. Type Templates into the search bar and press Enter. Select and install template add-ons you want to use. Click the account you want to use in the pop-up window. Click Allow when prompted. This will install template add-ons. Click Extensions again. You should now see Template for Document listed here. Browse Templates. Search for Calendars. Select a calendar template. Doing so opens the Templates page. Click Make a copy. Clicking this will add the calendar document to your Google Drive. Review your calendar. Your selected template should use the current year to generate the calendar, giving you an accurate 12-month calendar on which you can add information. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.